Hello everyone, this is Siddharth, and I am going to tell you how to do the simple experiment for compiler experiment for simulation of a microprocessor. So the aim of the experiment over here is to write a program to simulate the function of a microprocessor. Now, uh, as you can see over here, is a microprocessor consists of what it does is they take the source code and it changes into the object code. How it does it, as you can see over here, it will take the source code with the into the microprocessor, and it will what it will do, it will expand the code, and it will go now the expanded code will go to the compiler or the assembler, and the main part of the compiler will be it will convert the particular given source code into object code. Now, there's a simple algorithm for this, which is get the C program, which includes the macro definition, and then expand the macro by replacing the macro calls with macro body, and while expanding, replace the former parameters with the actual parameters which we are going to do, and then print the expanded output. So, so for doing this, this is the language which has been used is a simple Java language. So in this particular program, what we have done is we'll be using scanner as an input through the keyboard. Now we have declared certain arrays A, C, and D also. Now we ask the user to enter the size of the snippet code, the code snippet which is going to enter, and we store using scanner. We store it in the variable n. Next, what we are going to do is we'll ask the user to enter the snippet code for which we have to find the macro simulation. Alright, the user enters the snippet code and it is stored. Each time it will go from now we'll take a loop for each and every line each and every line of the snippet code which the user enters, and we'll store it um, in the array known as A of. Alright, let's move forward. Now again we'll use the for loop, and this time what we are going to do is using the for loop we'll check for each and every uh, index the cell of the array whether it's equal to hash defined, because now this is what we have to do. If a particular element is found as a hash defined, the next two elements, which will be the element name, the variable constant name and its value, has to be stored. Now as soon as the in the loop, if a particular index is found as equal to hash defined, that particular from that particular index, the very next index, which will be the variable which you have to store, will be stored it in the C array, and then its particular definition, the value which is stored, which will be the I plus 2, which is the second next uh, element, we'll store it d of I and set the flag as now. If in case we find the element which is not equal to hash include, we'll simply skip it. Alright. Next, after doing this, when we get the flags, now using the flags, a simple logic is created, and if the a dot flag is equal to c of c, which means pi, if pi is found out anywhere else in the program, it will be replaced by d of j, which is the value of the pi, a value of a variable which we use, and the particular program will be printed. So let's see by running this. I run this program. All right. Um, as we include iostr.h, right? So then we have the main function. Main function goes like this, which sum equal to pi into we take 2, we, we take pi into 2, then as you can see over here, the particular in this particular program, as you can see over here, the particular value of pi which we found out, which we had given in the hash definition, has been replaced by the particular value. Thank you for viewing this. Have a nice day.